Keeping your white sneakers white can be tough. Here's how to keep them fresh all year long. First, grab your leather sneakers, a brush, cleaning solution, magic eraser, and towel. Remove the laces and soak in warm, soapy water. Then, take a magic eraser and clean the midsole. Spray the leather cleaner on your shoe and scrub. Apply conditioner by hand and then buff. For canvas sneakers, you'll need canvas cleaning solution, a coarse brush, a towel, and 2 bowls of water. First, soak the laces in warm, soapy water. Next, dip your brush into clean, warm water, and apply the cleaning solution directly on the brush. Now scrub. Repeat until like new, and then leave to dry. For more style tips, head to eStain.com.